like to be standing to take a shower.
Bright sunny skies. It's so humid and hot.
In Defender, and we are riding right now into the rain. Let's take a look at that.
Wow, you girls look fantastic. These aprons fit you just right. Looking good, looking good. Super Fitness Weight Loss Challengers will love this recipe. What's it called?
Protein balls.
Okay, why do we like the protein balls?
They're a great snack after school and they're really easy to make, and
Okay.
I love making them.
Okay, so what's my first job? Maddie, you're on deck here.
We have 3 cups of oats.
Okay, can they just be any kind of oats?
Yes.
Yes, okay, I got it, okay. I know that there are different kinds of steel cut, quick oats, all that, but any kind of oats like this. These are like great oats. Okay, now what do we do?
Now we're gonna add our protein powder. We have half a cup here.
Okay, and this is what kind?
Vanilla.
Vanilla? Okay, do you like vanilla? Okay. I get to be the stirrer this time, huh? Okay, Maddie, I like it. Alrighty, go ahead, Savannah. Now what do I need?
Now we're gonna get 1 cup of our peanut butter.
Okay. I'm a master at peanut butter and figuring out how much, so that's my job. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right, because it's almost this whole jar.
Yeah.
How about that? We'll just put a big scoop in there.
A whole lot.
Watch this. That's 3/4. Kind of. 1 cup is what I need, right? Okay. This is pretty fun to make too, I bet. That we can squish it around. All right, so I've got all the peanut butter in there. Now what?
Now we're gonna add our honey. We have half a cup of honey.
Okay, want to dump it in? Ooh, honey. Do you like honey? Could you have also like maple syrup? Or here, I'll get it all out for you. Could you have something else sweet like that, do you think?
Yeah.
Maple
Okay,
syrup?
maple syrup. But you guys like honey?
Yes.
Yes,
Honey's a lot
okay.
better.
Maddie, how old are you?
I'm 11.
11. All right, Savannah, how old are you?
I'm 15.
Okay, so you're kind of the leader of the pack in this group, aren't you?
Yep.
All right. So I just have oats, your 3 cups. I have your vanilla protein powder, honey, and peanut butter, and that's it?
Yep. And
Okay,
then we're
mix it
gonna
around.
have our chocolate chips at
Okay.
the end.
You've got Aunt Kelly pretty busy today. All right, and this will be a good snack for all of us to kind of take on the go. All right. How do we know how big to make these once we start get to that spot?
About the size of like your palms.
Palm of the hand? Okay.
Yeah.
Like a walnut? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, here I'm going
I'm
for
like
it.
a golf ball.
A golf ball. Okay, that I can remember. A golf ball. Everyone back at home. Okay. My flamingos are getting a workout here. All right. We had a lot of recipes in this bowl so far at the ranch. Right. Now what? We've got
Now
one
we're
more.
gonna have 4th cup of our chocolate chips.
Ooh, the minis. Wow. Love it. Okay. I know. You like chocolate? What girl doesn't like chocolate, right? Okay. Just
Yummy.
mix them in here. I'm gonna use my bigger spoon if that's okay with you girls. Okay. Now what do we do? Just kind of pick them out and roll them up?
We're gonna roll them up
Okay.
in our trays.
Okay. Thank you, Maddie. All right, girls. Now, if I didn't get it mixed just perfect, you're gonna help me out once you get your piece, right? Okay. You ready? Everyone watch their hands. I know. I watched you. Okay, we're gonna go for it. You two first. Show me what to do. Just grab it, huh? Okay.
Squish it.
Squish it.
Squish it.
Scoosh it. Good thing we did. It's kind of like stickier than Play-Doh. Okay. All right. Oh, that one is perfect. Okay.
Big.
Yours is big? All right. Good. Okay. I like that idea. My hands are super sticky. And then it's the true test, girls. We are going to try it. All right. Good. All right. All right. Let's get rid of that. Let's grab your favorite one. You said you wanted that really big one. Grab the big one. Grab a little one. All right, girls. Cheers. Ta-da! And that's what's for supper. What do you think? Good. 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 Great recipe.